Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to our next tutorial on Kotlin. So now we can see this. So what are the things are there in a Kotlin? Now I want to discuss in this. The next tutorial is on image. So how to access image view on Kotlin. So image view on Kotlin that we can see here now. So this I'm changing as this Kotlin. So now just I created a project. Once it created a project, just we can drag and drop the image. Then for the image, we can discuss about the listener and all. So how that can happen? Here we can see here now. See the project is creating. So once this project created it, then just I want to drag and drop with some IC launcher image or whatever image default image. Then for that image, I want to access this. For image, normally we'll apply on click listener only. So using on click listener, how it happens, like similar, it has the functionality as button which we used our already in previous sessions. So the same process here also it can be applicable for this. So that we can see now how it happens clearly, that we can concentrate here now. So sometimes whenever you are creating this Kotlin, automatically see here Kotlin library is updated library. So it's automatically updating now. So means the help of this one, that is advantage. So no need to do that, automatically it can be created like this. Means no need of manual updates for this any new libraries or new gradles which can come in the environment. It's automatically downloading into your environment while creating the project itself. It can auto update this. So that is the main advantage of this our uh, Android Studio. Still it's downloading, because of that it's taking a little bit time. So once this is complete, we can see here. Yeah, this is completed. So now I want to check from here now. So here I'm taking this linear layout, and here just I want to drag and drop one image. So from here I want to drag and drop one image view. So just I want to take some of the image from here. So just I want to take this stuff. So some image. I took some image. Now this image has some properties like height and width and this. So now I want to add this functionality for this image. If you want to add the functionality for image here, simply here image view from XML we can select, then dot set on click listener. Just we are applying this on click listener for this. See, just I'm applying the on click listener. So on click listener. Then here simply I'm applying the toast, means it's working or not, just we need to say. So here this at the rate main activity So this at the rate main activity, comma, just I'm saying this IV image view, then toast dot length long finally dot show. That's it. Simply just how we are to use this image listener and all that we are concentrating here now. This. So now once it's run, we can able to check here output of this, how this image are displayed, and if I click on that, how it's performing the action, that we can able to check here now this. So this is about image view in our Kotlin, how we are using this image functionality and all that we can see here this. So still it's running. Yeah, this is almost completed. We can expect. Yeah, it's installing. Now we can able to check this output. See here, image are displayed. Now I'm clicking on this image, saying this side. So this is how this image action can perform this. So thank you. Please subscribe to get more updates. You'll find the code in description.